Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 61. And to create this exercise, we will use different features like extruded cut, extruded bows, rib, and fillet. And we'll create this exercise with some unconventional tricks and tips. So we can create this exercise effectively and very fast. So let's create on SolidWorks. Select new, select part, and apply OK. We start the sketch with top plane, so select stop plane and go to sketch, select circle and draw two circles, and the outer one has diameter 50, and inner one is a 50, inner one is a 40, and apply OK. Now here select center line and draw one center line like that. Select dynamic entities and select this one. Now select line and draw lines like that. Now select smart dimension. This length is 20 and this is 115 minus 50 minus 30. Now select again line and draw one lines like that, and draw one more line like that. Select smart dimension. First select this line and this line and make equal. Now select smart dimension. The distance between these two is 50. And now select 3-point arc and draw one 3-point arc here. The radius of this arc is 17.5. Select this point and select this point and make coincident. Now select features and select split bows. Select this one. Here select blind and it is 60. Apply OK. Now again select split bows and select the same sketch. Select this contour, select this contour, and here select surface. This is the surface and it is 10 mm only. Right, apply OK. Now again select split bows and select the same sketch. Select this contour and this one, and it is 10 mm only. Now select right plane and go to sketch. Select here center point arc and draw one center point arc like that. Radius of this arc is 20. Select this point, this point, this point, and this point, and make horizontal. Select smart dimension. The distance between these two is 50. Now select offset entities and select this one, and here select cap ends with lines, and it is 20 minus 17.5 and apply OK. Now select slot and draw one slot like that, and radius of this arc is 50 and this one is 45. Now select a line and join these 2 points. Now again select lines and join these 2 points and draw a horizontal line like that. Select smart dimension. Distance between these two is 10 and apply OK. Now select circle and draw one circle here. Diameter of this circle is 15. And now again select lines and draw lines like that. Select smart dimension. This is 10 and this distance is 40. and apply OK. Now select features and select extrude boss. Select this contour and here select sketch pen, select offset and it is 45 offset. Reverse the direction and select up to next and apply OK. Now select spread cut and now select the same sketch and select this circle. Reverse the direction and it is up to next. Apply OK. Now select spread boss again. Select the same sketch and select this contour. And it is how much? It is 40. Yeah. And select direction 2 and it is 2.5. Apply OK. Now select spread cut again and select the sketch 1 and select this contour. Reverse the direction and here select up to next and apply OK. Now select spread boss and select the sketch 2. Select this one. Clear the selection. Deselect this one. Select this contour. It is 50 and in direction 2 it is 50. Apply OK. Now select spread boss again and select the sketch 2. Select this one and here select offset and it is 30. Here select mid plane and it is 20. Apply OK. Now select right plane and go to sketch. Select line and draw lines like that. Select this point and select this edge and make coincident. Select smart dimension. This distance is 20. Select this line and select this arc. Make tangent. Now go to features and here select rib. Rib is 5 mm only and apply OK. Now select fillet. Select this face. Select this one first. Select this face. Select this face and select this face. Apply OK. Okay, we need to change something in sketch 1. So select the sketch 1. It is not only 35, it is 35 plus 10. Apply OK and go exit. Now select fillet. Select this face. Select this face and select this face and apply OK. And now select whole wizard. Select this one. Here select unsymmetry. Here select show custom sizing and it is 10 mm. And here select up to next. Select position and select 3D sketch. One whole minute here and one here. And apply OK. Right. Now select fillet and select this first option. It is 1 mm fillet. Select this edge. It is just 1 mm. And select this edge. Apply OK. Now again select fillet. And now it is 2 mm. Select this one. And select this one. And select this face. Select this one. Select this one. Select this one. This one. This one. This one and this one. And select this one. This one. This one and this one. Now apply OK. And now go to appearance, right click here, and here appearance, select the body and select this one, apply OK. Now select this whole surface and select the face one, select this one, this one, this one, this one, and these four surfaces, apply OK. And it is our isometric view. Our exercise has been completed. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.